Section 6. I hope you enjoyed the bingo game. We are now going to do a sound test. I want you to go to page 9 in your book, the same as the one on the whiteboard. I will say the number and you write the sound I say next to the number. Get a pencil and let's start. Next to number 1, find number 1 on your worksheet. Next to number 1, I want you to write the sound ra. Ra. Next to number 2, I want you to write the sound ga. Ga. Next to number 3, I want you to write the sound the. The. Next to the number 4, I want you to write the sound me. Me. Next to the number 5, I want you to write the sound T. T. Next to the number 6, I want you to write the sound lo. Lo. Next to the number 7, I want you to write the sound sa. Sa. Next to the number 8, I want you to write the sound ba. Ba. Next to the number 9, I want you to write the sound ni. Ni. Next to the number 10, I want you to write the sound de. De. Next to the number 11, I want you to write the sound pa. 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 Next to the number 12, I want you to write the sound jaw, jaw. Next to the number 13, I want you to write the sound ne, ne. Next to number 14, the last number, I want you to write the sound Z, Z. Well done. We are now going to check that you wrote all the sounds correctly. Next to number 1, I wanted you to write the sound R. The R and the A together says R. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. Next to number 2, I wanted you to write the sound G. The G and the R together says G. If you wrote that, give yourself a tick. Next to number 3, I wanted you to write the sound Fe. The F and the E together says Fe. If you wrote that sound, give yourself a tick. Next to number 4, the sound was Ma. The M and the A together says Ma. If you wrote Ma, give yourself a tick. Next to number 5, I wanted the sound T. The T and the I together says T. If you wrote T, give yourself a tick. Next to number 6, the sound was L. The L and the O says La. If you wrote La, give yourself a tick. Next to number 7, the sound was Sa. Sa. The S and the A together says Sa. If you wrote Sa, please give yourself a tick. Next to number 8, the sound was Ba. The B and the A together says Ba. If you wrote Ba, give yourself a tick. Next to number 9, the sound was Ni. The N and the I together says Ni. If you wrote Ni, give yourself a tick. Next to number 8, the sound was Ba. The B and the A together says Ba. If you wrote Ba, give yourself a tick. Next to number 10, the sound was De. The D and the E together says De. If you wrote De, give yourself a tick. Next to number 11, the sound was pa. The p and the a together says pa. If you wrote pa, give yourself a tick. Next to number 12, the sound was ja. The j and the a together says ja. If you wrote ja, give yourself a tick. Next to number 13, the sound was na. The n and the a together says na. If you wrote na, give yourself a tick. Next to number 14, the sound was z. The z and the I together says z. If you wrote z, give yourself a tick. Well done if you got them all right. If you got any wrong, you must go back and watch the alphabet video again. Now go to classroom 3, section 7.